Airports are busy, fast-moving environments where even the smallest mistake can throw off an entire trip. Every day, thousands of travelers make errors that cost them time, money, and peace of mind. And most of these could have been avoided with the right preparation. In today's video, we're diving deep into 13 serious airport mistakes passengers keep making before flights, and revealing how to steer clear of them, whether traveling for business, vacation, or a quick family visit. Knowing these can make the airport experience smoother, faster, and far less stressful. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, hacks, and destination guides. Number 1. Arriving too close to departure time. One of the biggest and most common airport mistakes is arriving far later than recommended. Many passengers assume that because they've checked in online, they can breeze through the airport without much time to spare. But in reality, airports are unpredictable. Long security lines, unexpected traffic on the way there, last-minute gate changes, or even baggage drop delays can eat up precious minutes. Airlines typically advise arriving at least 2 hours early for domestic flights and 3 hours early for international ones, and this is for a reason. These guidelines account for possible disruptions and give enough time to address problems calmly. Arriving with just enough time might seem efficient, but it leaves no room for error. The peace of mind from having extra time is worth far more than a few extra minutes at home. Number 2. Forgetting to check flight status before leaving home. Many passengers leave for the airport without checking their flight's real-time status. This can lead to hours of unnecessary waiting, or worse, arriving after the boarding gate has already closed because the departure was moved up. Flight schedules can change quickly due to weather conditions, technical issues, air traffic control requirements, or staffing shortages. By checking the flight status before leaving, travelers can better plan their arrival at the airport, avoid unnecessary stress, and even prepare for possible rebookings if there's a cancellation. Most airlines offer live updates via mobile apps, email, or SMS alerts, so taking 30 seconds to confirm details before leaving can save hours of inconvenience. Number 3. Not preparing travel documents in advance. A surprisingly common issue is scrambling to find passports, boarding passes, or visas at the last minute while at the security checkpoint. This not only slows down the line, but also raises stress levels. All travel documents should be organized in a single, easy-to-reach location before even stepping out the door. Using a travel document holder or wallet is a small investment that pays off big. It keeps everything from boarding passes to identification cards in one place, making them instantly accessible. Passengers should also double-check passport expiration dates weeks before the trip, as some countries require at least 6 months validity for entry. A quick review at home avoids frantic searching or being turned away at the counter. Number 4. Overpacking or packing the wrong way. Arriving at the airport with overweight luggage can result in extra fees or the inconvenience of repacking on the spot. Many passengers also place prohibited items in their carry-ons without realizing it, leading to delays at security checkpoints. Weighing luggage before leaving home and reviewing the airline's baggage policy can prevent surprises. Separating liquids into a clear, resealable bag and ensuring electronics are easily removable for inspection speeds up security checks. It's also worth remembering that baggage allowance rules vary between airlines, so a single assumption can lead to unexpected charges. Number 5. Ignoring airport security rules. Airport security is one of the most common points of delay for travelers. Forgetting to follow the rules, such as removing laptops from bags, keeping liquids under 100 milliliters, or taking off jackets and belts, slows down both the passenger and everyone else in line. To avoid holding up the process, passengers should prepare before reaching the front of the line. Shoes that are easy to slip off, liquids packed correctly, and electronics placed at the top of carry-ons for quick removal all make the process smoother. Understanding security procedures also reduces stress, as travelers know exactly what to expect when approaching the checkpoint. Number 6. Failing to allow extra time for customs and immigration. For international flights, the customs and immigration process can take much longer than anticipated, especially during peak travel seasons. Some travelers assume that once they're through security, they're in the clear, but this is far from true for international departures. Large airports serving multiple international destinations can have long queues at passport control. By building extra time into the schedule, travelers can handle slow-moving lines without worrying about missing boarding calls. Using automated passport control kiosks if available, it can also speed up the process significantly. Number 7. Not checking terminal and gate information early. Airports often have multiple terminals and gates located far apart. Passengers who don't check their gate location ahead of time risk getting lost or having to rush long distances just before boarding. Since gate changes are common, Checking terminal maps online and verifying the gate number upon arrival at the airport is essential. Many airline apps update gate information instantly, allowing passengers to plan their route through the airport and avoid last-minute dashes that cause unnecessary stress. Number 8. Skipping online check-in. Some travelers still wait until they arrive at the airport to check in, missing out on the convenience of securing seats early and saving time. Online check-in often opens 24 to 48 hours before the flight and allows passengers to confirm seating, baggage, and meal preferences in advance. Checking in online not only shortens the process at the airport but can also provide access to earlier boarding groups and, in some cases, lower baggage fees. It also allows travelers to spot issues, such as incorrect personal details or unexpected schedule changes, before reaching the counter. Number 9. Neglecting to plan for security-friendly clothing. Wardrobe choices can have a surprising impact on the airport experience. Wearing boots with many laces, belts with large buckles, or excessive metal accessories can slow down the security process. Similarly, wearing multiple layers may require more time during screening. Opting for simple, comfortable clothing and slip-on shoes can make security checks faster and easier. Jackets and scarves that are easy to remove also save valuable minutes. It may seem minor, but when every second counts, small clothing choices can make a big difference. Number 10. Forgetting to prepare for electronic screening. Laptops, tablets, and other electronics often require separate screening at security checkpoints. Passengers who bury these items deep inside their carry-ons end up delaying the process by having to unpack in front of the line. Keeping electronics near the top of a bag or in a dedicated sleeve ensures they can be removed and replaced quickly. For those traveling with multiple devices, organizing them in advance reduces the risk of leaving something behind at the screening area. Simple organization can make this step painless and fast. Number 11. Not packing essentials in a carry-on. One of the most inconvenient mistakes passengers make is placing all important items in checked baggage. If that luggage is delayed or lost, travelers may be left without essentials for hours or even days. This can be especially problematic on international trips where buying replacements quickly isn't always easy or affordable. A carry-on should always include essentials like travel documents, medication, a change of clothes, basic toiletries, electronic devices, chargers, and valuables. Keeping these items close ensures that even if checked luggage is temporarily unavailable, the trip can continue without major disruption. Some travelers also carry small snacks and a reusable water bottle to stay comfortable during delays. Number 12. Overlooking airport transportation time. Many travelers focus so much on their flight time that they forget about how long it actually takes to get to the airport. Traffic jams, public transport delays, and unfamiliar routes can easily cause missed flights. Even when using ride-hailing apps or shuttle services, unexpected events can add significant delays. The safest approach is to research multiple transportation options and have a backup plan. For example, if a train is the main method of reaching the airport, knowing the taxi cost and availability in case of train issues can be a lifesaver. Leaving earlier than necessary not only reduces stress but also gives room to handle last-minute issues without panic. Number 13. Ignoring airport announcements and updates. The final mistake is tuning out important information being broadcast in the terminal. Many passengers get distracted by their phones, conversations, or duty-free shopping, only to find out later that their gate has changed, boarding has started earlier, or there's been a flight update. Paying attention to public announcements and regularly checking flight information screens ensures no critical changes are missed. Gate changes, boarding calls, and security reminders are often communicated multiple times, but missing even one can cause a frantic sprint across the airport or, in the worst case, a missed flight. Air travel doesn't have to be stressful, it's all about preparation, timing, and awareness. By avoiding these 13 serious airport mistakes passengers keep making before flights, every journey can be smoother, faster, and far more enjoyable. The key is to plan ahead, stay informed, and remain flexible when unexpected changes happen. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more expert travel advice and destination insights every day. Safe travels and see you in the next video.